So today I'm going to show you guys how you can edit video with InShot. Okay, before you can get this InShot, I will drop a link to this InShot in the description of this video. So make sure you check the description for the link after you watch the entire of this video so that you'll be able to understand the step-by-step process on how you can edit video with InShot. Can you see how the InShot app look like? So what you need to do here is for you to click video since you want to edit video, then click on new. Can you see we have a lot of videos here? That is for my own case. This is my phone, so I have a lot of videos here, right? So I will choose one video here and show you how to edit it. Okay. Can you see how to choose a video? When you click it, this place is going to tick. That means you have clicked it. Then you click this place. Can you see click this place? You can select multiple videos, but for my own case, I want to use only one video. Then let me play the video. Okay, can you see? Let me show you how you can able to split videos in case you have mistake in your video. Maybe when you were filming your video, you made a mistake and you want to cut it off. So let me show you how to split the video, how to cut some part of the video out. Okay, take for example, I wanted to cut this first part. Okay, I'll pause on a particular point that I want to cut it, right? Can you see split? You will click on split. Can you see the video is split now? Can you see now? The video is split. That means the video have turned into two. If I want to delete this part, since I don't want this part, I can still delete it by clicking this delete button. Make sure, please make sure that you click the part that you want to delete. Let it show this white something around it. Can you see that? Means you have clicked it, right? So when you click it, then you click this delete button here. Can you see? Click the delete button. Can you see? The video is now out. That means the part that you do not want is out. So let me play the video now. So can you see how the video look like now? So if I want this video to be slow, not too fast, I can still do it by clicking the video like this. Scroll this. Can you see speed? I click on speed. Then I can reduce the speed if I want the video to be slow. Can you see? Then I can also increase the speed if I want the video to be very, very fast. Yes, can you see how the video look like now? Okay, let me go back. Okay. In terms of video background, if you want to use background for your video, you can click this background. Can you see? You have a lot of background here. You can choose which type of background that you want to use and make your video more better than how it was. And you can even decide to blur the background. Can you see? Let me play the video and show you. Can you see how the video look like now? Can you see? And you can even decide to choose your own background from your phone. Can you see? If you click this place, you will choose a background from your phone. If you want to add audio, can you see music? Click on music here and click this plus icon. Can you see? You have a lot of audios from InShot, but if you want to use your own audio, you click my music. Can you see here? Click my music here, and can you see there are a lot of music in my phone, so I can choose any one that I want to use to attach to this video. When you click it, it's going to add to the video, so just click it and let me show you. Take for example, I want to use this one, so I'll click it and use. Can you see? So now, so this is the audio. I can even decide to volume, that means to increase the audio. Then I can also decide to reduce the volume of the audio like this. Okay, I can also decide to reduce the noise. Can you see? Turn on the noise. Can you see? Noise, the noise. I can even decide to turn on. So can you see I've turned on the noise? That means in case there was noise in the video when I was recording, or noise, all those noise, background noises when you were recording your video, you can just denoise it, all those things. Can you see? So let me show you another one. And you can also add text to it if you want to add text to your video, like see my love. Can you see how it look like? And you can even drag it if you want the text to be on this full video. That means from the beginning of this video to the end, you You can shift it to any place that you want and allow it to be there. Let me play the video now. Can you see how it look like? So there are stickers here. You can click here to use stickers. There are a lot of stickers here. You can even decide to choose stickers here and put it in your video. Can you see? Wow, this is great. So this is good. Okay, you can also add filters. Can you see filters? You can add AI effects. You can add filters. Can you see? You have a lot of filters here. You choose any one that you want to use for your video editing. You have a lot of filters here, and you can also adjust anything that you want to adjust, either saturation, increase or decrease, contrast, tints, sharpness. Oh, there are lots of things. Film grain. You have a lot of things here, guys. You can do it and add to your video and make your video even super, beautiful, good for everybody to watch your video. You know what? I love this. You can even do voice effect, duplicate, reverse, rotate. There are a lot of things right here in this app. So let me know if you have any question about this video tutorial. I am here to make sure that I solve every problem that you have. So thank you guys for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye. I love you guys.